One of the things that I love about real estate is it's a lot like chess. It's a lot like MMA. All these things, like how you do anything is how you do everything. So
you take that same discipline and you just apply it to something else. Yeah. And when you focus and you have that work ethic, it's gonna come out with results.
So many different attacks, so many different exit strategies and ways to win. There's some kind of like puzzle there that I like to solve.
The first guest, I think, to actually be a three-peat, round 3. He is a former UFC fighter.
Literally, that one event, in my opinion, turned the world of jiu-jitsu upside down, and it completely changed the landscape.
He's done all kinds of things on the business side, all types of stuff on the combat side, and is now helping to create champions financially outside of the cage with his new real estate ventures.
If you're an MMA fan or a combat sports fan, a buy box is just kind of like your style. Are you a striker? Are you a grappler? How am I going to win this fight?
He's a master and a black belt now in all kind of creative financing deals, flips, and he's taken over the Kansas City market. He's been through a whirlwind of changes, and he keeps reinventing himself and coming out on top. Always bringing your A game to everything you do, which is what the podcast is about. Welcome back, Mr. James Krause.
I think really locking in and trying to find out what that trophy marlin was for me. And then whenever I was able to push all the distractions out of the way and just go for that. And then I started finding more of them. I started getting luckier, and because I wasn't looking at just fish, I was fishing for a specific kind of fish. I believe genuine, educated conversations will get you so far.
He always brings the fire. We always have a great talk, and this was no different. So thank you guys for listening and supporting the podcast. Thank you, James, for coming on, and I hope you guys enjoy this episode. A Game Podcast. Have a great day.